The Cartier Santos Demoiselle. This is going to be a 20 millimeter watch, and if you want to come check out the full details, the stock number on our website is going to be 32968. Again, this is a Cartier Santos, part of that collection. Now, this particular watch is an 18 karat white gold watch. You'll find that on the case as well as the bracelet itself and the clasp. It is a quartz movement, so you don't have to worry about regularly winding your watch, or resetting it very regularly, or a watch winder. It's something that you only have to worry about every couple of years as those batteries do die. But there are a couple of things that do separate this watch and make it a little different. So not only is it white gold, most of the watches that we'll find from Cartier are going to be more in the stainless steel category, but one of the things that you'll notice is where we normally have the blue hands and a cabochon, this particular watch has a diamond set in the crown. Furthermore, it does have diamonds on the lugs as well as the bezel, but it also has two rows that go all the way through the clasp. Again, come check it out at SwissWatchExpo.com.